Alright, that's interesting. So it seems that this solder joint broke off of my power resistor, or to you guys, an indicator light bulb from a car, because I was too cheap to buy power resistors. But you get the idea. Now, after I flick this switch to reconnect the supercapacitors, the voltmeter goes up, and I can power all of the electrical stuff without the need for the engine running all the time. And if that headlight wire wasn't broken, that would be on too right now, believe me. Also, if anyone's wondering how I have that tachometer connected, basically I have two hose clamps here connected to the motor shaft, and there are two neodymium magnets, one on each side. They're both 180 degrees apart, and they pass by this Hall effect sensor, which has a circuit that I might, if anybody wants, I'll post it, but I don't think anybody really watches this shit. And each time the magnet swipes by, it sends a pulse to the tachometer, which, well, it counts the amount of time between the pulses and calculates an RPM based off that. I'm not sure how accurate this is, because I know this engine revs to 6100 RPM, but I've never seen this go past 4. So I'm not sure on that one. It might be because this is running on 5 volts and it's actually designed for 12. That might have something to do with it, probably. In fact, this tachometer completely dies out when I turn the headlight on unless I give it some more revs. If anybody gives a shit, I made this new clutch pedal arm. It's made out of, you know those shelves at Walmart? The fashion racks? Yeah. Also, the generator that powers and charges the supercapacitors and all the electrical devices is right here, if anyone's wondering. It is just a printer motor, and this belt I think is from a VCR. Something like that. Of course, there's a key switch. And I know what you're saying, Amtech, who's gonna steal this piece of shit? Or that piece of shit? But it's not about that. It's cool. Having a key switch is cool. Feels more like a motorcycle with a key switch. All it needs is a kickstart.